In this video, I want to answer the question, is dropshipping profitable? The answer is obviously yes, and I think high-ticket dropshipping is way better and way more profitable than low-ticket dropshipping. That's my personal opinion, and I want to give you some examples. So I want to give you 3 different categories just so that you can get your head wrapped around whether dropshipping is profitable. And again, I'm going to use high-ticket dropshipping as my example because that's what we teach here on this channel. So if we talk about a 3D printer, we can use Airwolf as an example. When I sold them, they had a $5,000 3D printer. They probably still do. I haven't sold them in quite a while. It was $5,000. I had 25% margins, which left $1,250 for me. I also had to pay the shipping, roughly $200 to the customer, and there's some fees wrapped in there. That left $1,000 for me to go acquire a customer and keep the rest as profit when I sold that item. I've also sold pellet grills. Again, Memphis, $5,000 grill, 25% margins, $1,250 profit. Had to pay the shipping to the customer for $300. That still leaves, after some fees, $900 in profit for me to go acquire a customer, and the rest is mine. That's the arbitrage there, right? A smaller version, Green Mountain Davy Crockett. It's a portable pellet grill, $500. And I had 25% margins, and they shipped it for free. And so that left $125 in profit, or I need to go acquire a customer for less than $125, and that profit is mine. And again, in this method, people are already searching for this stuff, and so we just need to get in front of them. My final example is a infrared sauna. So the Sunray Tiburon 4-person is $3,296. Our cost is $2,142, which leaves $1,154 in profit. Minus the shipping to the customer and some fees, you're sitting at around $800 for you to acquire a customer for that sauna, and then you get to keep the rest. That's, as the business owner, that's your arbitrage. So yes, dropshipping is profitable, and high ticket is the right answer. Less work, less employees, same results. So I'd love for you to get started today. You can head over to dropshipbreakthrough.com. There's a link below. Just click the free training, and John will walk you through how to find your first product, how to find the brands that you can sell that have these margins that I'm talking about today. And you can find out for yourself that dropshipping is profitable. And so if you haven't got started, get started right now. If you've dabbled in it before, come join us, learn about high ticket dropshipping, learn how you can have less orders and more profit.